Okay, so this is a video on how to properly roll up one of our fire hoses. So you'll notice on these hoses, some guys already know this, but this end of the hose, as you can see, the female end has the gasket in it and the cam locks on it. The other end of this hose has the male end, no cam locks, no gasket. So I'm gonna roll this up and I'll show you why that's important. Okay, so now you can see I have the hose all rolled up. You start rolling these hoses up from the male end. See, the male end is inside the wrap. The female end is outside. That's important because most of the fittings you hook onto are male, just like this fire riser blow-off cap. So with the way this hose is rolled up, you take this end, hook it directly to that, and unroll your hose. And then when you get to the next hose, same thing. Your male end is exposed, and you start with your female end. It's ready to be hooked up and continue on and so forth. If these are rolled up the other way, and the female end is inside the wrap, and the male end is outside the wrap, you can't hook it up. You have to unroll the entire hose, get it turned around in order to hook it up correctly. Rolling them up this way saves time and a little bit of frustration for the next guy.